In this video, we'll learn how to use maximum, minimum, and average functions. We are given the student names and 5 tutorials that were written by these students. The first one question says, find the average of the best 4 tutorials. So how can you do that? You can use average and large combined. You can say equal average rather, then large, then select your data, comma, space, this bracket. Now remember, you have to find the best 4. Then you're gonna say 1, 2, 3, 4, since you are required to find the best 4. Then we close our brackets, then we press enter. This is the average of the best 4 tutorials. Now let's say maybe you want to autofill it. You can just come here. When you see to the bottom right corner, when you see this small plus sign rather, just double click it. It will autofill it. So here we are required to find the maximum, minimum, and average of each tutorials. Equal max, select your data, close bracket, press enter. This is the maximum. Now you don't have to do that like manually here in this for this tutorial 5, 4, and 3. You can just come here and say equal max, select your data, close, press enter. This is the maximum. You can come here and say drag your formula. It will give you the maximums. Same applies to minimum. You can say equal min, select your data, close bracket, you find your minimum mark, equal min, select your data, press enter, drag your formula. It will give you the minimums of the other remaining tutorials. Then for average, you're gonna say equal average, select your data, close brackets, press enter. This is your average of tutorial 1. And equal average, close bracket, press enter. Now you can drag your formula. You are done. Thanks for watching, guys.